This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pam Ehrman. Nestled in the heart of VA Beach, minutes from town center in the Kempsville Lakes neighborhood is this shiny, lovingly maintained, brick townhome. Professionally painted inside and out. Roof, HVAC, thermostat controls and gutters all replaced in 2020. There's nothing to do here but move in and enjoy your new home. Eat-in kitchen has newly painted cabinets. Open floor plan downstairs with dining room offer options for home office or more living area, with half bath downstairs. 2 master en-suites upstairs boast large bedrooms, private full baths and easy access to upstairs utility room with washer and dryer. Enjoy neighborhood pool, tennis courts, clubhouse, playground and walking paths around the lakes. Fully fenced backyard and shed offers privacy and extra storage. 2 designated parking spots at front door. Convenient location with easy access to Kempsville Greens Golf Course, expressways, shopping and restaurants.